All right, welcome to Do Michelle. Today, we're going to break down a top sirloin. We're going to cut it, take the picanha off, and we're going to get it ready for the counter. So let's get it out of the packaging. So this is Alberta beef, AAA, aged at least 28 days. So to start with, we're going to take a bit of this wedge off. When you take it from right off the bone, you're going to have a little bit of fat and some wedge. Anything that we take off, it's all going to go into our trim. So the fat we're going to get rid of, but all that meat is actually just going to go into our ground beef. So the top part here comes from where the sirloin is off the bone. That's a little bit of grizzle. So that's going to go into our ground beef. Take some of this fat off here. And then you see the seam here. You can just run your knife through that and you can split it right there. So you come apart. The bottom piece is your picanha or your top sirloin cap. You just use the tip of your knife just to take that away. Then we'll clean that piece up after. This is going to be our sirloin. What we're going to do is we're just going to clean a little bit of the top of it, clean some of that fat away. Want to have it nice in the counter. All this stuff can go in a grind. You can see some of that marbling coming through. There we go. We're almost ready to start cutting some steaks. We're just going to square it off a little bit. See, it's got some nice marbling in there. So we'll cut steaks about 3/4 inch. They don't need much trimming at all. We've already done most of the work. We're just going to go from one end right to the other. This last little piece, what we're going to do is we're going to save that for a bit of stew. We've got some beautiful top sirloin steaks ready to go.